it's very important that you take in consideration the direction you're choosing to go and that style you're choosing to express your creativity, because you want to add other elements that will align with that. So in my bedroom, for example, when I had the drapery for my headboard, a lot of people hated it. And I get why. It's new, it's different. But I also felt like it was missing something, and it was missing other elements in the room that helped make this a better moment for the space. So I added a dark green rug under the bed, and I think that is moving in a better direction and made the drapery in my own bedroom look even better. So if you do choose a creative route, just make sure you're adding elements to also align that vision into the entire space and not just that one wall. Unless you're going very minimal and you want like that specific thing to be the focus, because you can also do that as well.